In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress locally on XAMPP, and it's really easy to do, so let's go ahead and do this. So the first thing you need to do is download the latest version of WordPress from wordpress.org, and once you've downloaded that, it should be in your downloads folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this and I'm going to paste this in my XAMPP directory. So go to XAMPP, which is on the C drive, HD docs, and this is where you can store any of your websites. Now I normally create a www folder, and here I'm going to move the WordPress download. Next I need to extract the contents here, and you'll see that once that's extracted it will create a folder called WordPress. And what I actually need to do is I need to create a copy of this wp-config sample.php file, and I need to paste that, and I need to rename this so it's wp-config.php. And here, this is where we're going to set up the configuration files which connect to our database so that WordPress can install. Let's go ahead and open this file in your text editor, and we need to define a database name which we haven't yet created, but for now I'm going to call this just WP for WordPress. The default username for phpMyAdmin is root unless you've specified otherwise, and the default password is normally blank unless you've specified otherwise. So let's go ahead and create this database in phpMyAdmin. So go over to localhost phpMyAdmin, and we need to create a new database, and of course we need to give it the name of WP, and just click on create, and that's done. So now what we need to do is we just need to go to our localhost www directory here, and here we can see that we've got that WordPress folder just there. So now we've got to the installation screen, we know that we can just install as necessary. So give it a title of your choice. I'm just going to do test for now, and my test username will be Graham, and for the password I'll just do a weak one, and email address, this will just be a dummy email address for me for now, but you can put your actual one in there, and then just click on install WordPress, and what that will do is it will create the database tables in here and all the necessary files as well as your user, and that's pretty much everything. So give that a moment just to install, and then once that's installed we should be able to log in with that user that we just created. And there we are, we've installed WordPress locally on our XAMPP, which is on Windows.